Baroni Loves Macaroni by Marylin Sadler. Tony Baroni, he loved macaroni. He ate it with butter. He ate it with cheese. He ate it for breakfast. He ate it at noon. Then ate it for dinner with a big serving spoon.
"Oh, Mamma Mia!"
cried Nonna Sophia.
"I cooked lasagna. I roasted potatoes. I fried zucchini and sliced ripe tomatoes."
"No, Nonna, please. Just macaroni and cheese."
Nonna made oodles of other good noodles. So she served Tony spinach cannelloni.
"No, Nonna, please. Just macaroni and cheese."
Nonna cooked penne with tomatoes and cheese. Bow ties with broccoli and spaghetti with peas.
"No, Nonna, please. Just macaroni and cheese."
Nonna served rotini and meat tortellini, ravioli with yam, and rigatoni with ham.
"No, Nonna, please. Just macaroni and cheese."
One day, Tony Baroni, who loved macaroni, who ate it with butter, who ate it with cheese, who ate it for breakfast, who ate it at noon, who ate it for dinner with a large serving spoon, knew just what he wanted to eat.
"Enough macaroni, enough cheese. How about pizza with tomatoes and peas?"
Now Tony eats pizza for breakfast. He eats pizza at noon. He eats pizza with peas by the light of the moon. And this is the end. Hello there. This is Miss Nicolle, and my favorite breakfast is pancakes. Miss Norma, what is your favorite lunch?
My favorite lunch is sushi. What is your favorite dinner, Miss Nicolle?
My favorite dinner is spaghettis. Now, kids, what is your favorite breakfast, lunch, and dinner?